Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw something super easy, and it's gonna be Baldi's angry face. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this super angry Baldi expression. So it's gonna be pretty simple. We're gonna start out with his eyes, so we're just gonna draw in almost round. It's a little bit stretched this way, so it's almost like an egg shape. Okay, so draw another one kind of farther apart. And then the inside, we're going to draw one circle. And I'm just going to shade it in. Make it nice and creepy. Alright, and once we have that, we can draw in his nose. So just come right in the middle here. You can make a little dot, and then we're just going to come down on both sides. So it's going to come down quite a bit. We're just gonna close that off. Okay, and then now let's draw in his mean brow. So this one's easy. We're just gonna come slant up, and I'm gonna try to give it some thickness here. Oh, I'll just end up shading it. Okay, and then on this side, same thing here. We're gonna slant up. I'm just gonna give it some thickness here. Okay, and then now we can draw in. Let's come down and draw in his mouth. And it's kind of messed up, so in the middle here they come down, and then we're just gonna curve down all the way down here, so it comes out pretty wide. I'm just gonna give it a little bit of waviness, have it come down, so it's just like one big mad face. And then now here from the corner we'll go back up, so this is his upper lip, and I'm just gonna give it a little bit of waviness to it. Okay, and then on the bottom, this is going to be a lower lip, so we're going to come in. Just a little bit of waviness as well. Okay, and then now we can draw in the shape of the head. So we can start out, we can draw just one bracket like this first. So once you have the bracket, now we can kind of pinch it in, so it's a little bit sharper on the top here. And then the bottom, we're gonna come down behind the lip, so it's a little bit straighter here. Okay, come in, just kind of round it, but don't close it off. Okay, and then the bottom here for his neck, we're just gonna continue this curve slightly, close it off, and then we're gonna add. I'm just gonna add in a little bit of shoulder here, so. Okay, as if the shoulder is going up. Okay, and then let's see, I almost forgot about his hair. So one strand of hair right here, so I'm just gonna give it some thickness. And that is it for this angry looking Baldi head. So hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.